Hello everyone, welcome again to the Man Shed. That's Sunday, another gloomy, dreary day. Yesterday was pretty nice, was able to do a few things outside yesterday, but today's been kind of, gloomy. So anyways, what have I been doing, you ask? Well, I'll tell you. Even if you're not asking, I'll tell you. So I've been working on these HID ballasts, getting them stripped out. Down to, I got 7 of them left, 8 left to strip out. Get a pretty good copper return out of them. I've got 1 bucket full just out of these, and then I'm filling up that other bucket that had the motor windings in it, just about got it full. So the first bucket's 45 pounds. So I'm guessing the other one will be about the same. So that'll be 75, 80 pounds of copper easy. Pretty good. Just for taking those guys apart. Just having a... What is this stuff? Well, it's Faxe beer. I forget where it's made. Denmark. Hey, Denmark. This might be Rafael Scapper's favorite beer, but I've never seen him drink it though. Anyways, Faxe beer is pretty good. So I've got beer from Denmark, but sadly the whiskey from Japan has disappeared. Well, not really disappeared, I drank it all, but... So I'm sad about that. It's kind of an international incident, maybe not. The good news is though, I still have single malt from Scotland, but not here, it's down in the man cave. What else? So I picked up a few items this week. I got some more ballasts. And then I got a couple of these emergency lighting units. So I'm just going to quickly trim the wire off of these things, throw them in the ballast bucket. Don't want the video to drag on too long. I always say that, these cropping videos always end up being way too long. Oh well. Actually, you've got to check all of these to make sure that they say no PCBs on them. No PCBs. I mean, they haven't had PCB in ballast since, shoot, I want to say the late 60s, but there's still a few of them out there, I guess. Oh, I got my sticker board organized finally, so I got a few of the stickers I've got. Got Ian Matthews, Rafael Scrapper, Dusty Blonde, Miss Canadian Scrapper, Snobby Scrap Picker, and of course my own. So anybody who wants to send me a sticker, just shoot me an email. My email's on my homepage. And I will send you back one of mine. No problemo. It's been a nice weekend to go down to the coast there and take some of my junk down. But this is the Thanksgiving weekend here in Canada. So I called that Ever scrapyard that Canadian Treasure Hunter goes to. And of course they were closed this weekend. So we're getting down to next weekend might be the last window of opportunity. Otherwise, I'll just keep hoarding the stuff over the winter, and who knows, maybe the prices will be up come spring. Oh yeah, by the way, happy Thanksgiving to all my Canadian friends. The Americans have to wait another month, but turkey's in the fridge. We'll be cooking that up tomorrow. Going to put these in the ballast tub. brass in the low grade bin. Yeah, that low grade bin's getting pretty full. I'm going to have to start another one here if I don't make it down there. Canadian Tour Shiner was saying he was getting 65, 70 cents a pound for that type of wire, so that's pretty good. I haven't weighed that yet with my handy dandy scale, but I'm pretty sure it's over 100 pounds. So. Okay, so this thing should have transformer in it and a gel cell battery. Should have. And of course, low grade. Clean up a little bit here. We've got some ballast residue. There we go. So this one's fairly new looking. Board probably burnt out of it. I found it in the bin at our other shop, so there's something wrong with it. So there's the gel cells. A little bit of a board in it. Not too exciting though. Yowzer. Maybe no one will come out of there. These are my new Knipex pliers, cutters. These are the long handled version, the 10-inch gives you a little more leverage. Put this in my hardware bucket. Actually, this morning I was looking for some washers, so I just moved around in there and took them out. So I think I could be on to something, saving all that hardware. Yeah, a little bit of a transformer there. Let's tidy this up a bit. A little bit of brass. Oh yeah. Brass jar. Ouch. Let's see. Perhaps? Yes. A bit of a transformer on there. Yeah, I'll take that apart later. Difficult. Full of LED lamps in there. Don't need them. Garbage. Oh, it's actually a little line lock. Bolt shot. Okay, a bit of tin. That there for now. Just the facts. Okay. It's kind of a heavy duty one. Yep, little gel cell. Yes, indeed. This guy's got a little transformer on it. Some nylon hardware holding it on. Oh, that's all it's holding the transformer on, so. Don't really think that's, so there we go. That's what's wrong with it. The, one of the tracks is burnt off the back of the circuit board. So, some kind of power issue. I don't think there's anything worth saving on that board, so. Let's see. And maybe I'll keep that. I don't think there's anything great on that one either, but I'll keep that in my little circuit board bucket. And some more metal. More metal. Okay, some junk wire. These are old style tungsten heads. Yeah, actually these are golden. These are like a seal beam. They're about 9-10 watts a piece. Is it a die cast? Actually not a bad box there if somebody wanted to do a project. Not me though, I think I have officially more projects now than I have time left on the earth, so I'm not intending to start any new ones. Those things want to come out, I say. Yeah, probably not. Let's stick that over there for now. I think it'll find a place in the metal pile. All right, so I think that's all the scrapping action for today, video-wise anyways. Yeah, actually that's, well, let me just see, I was going to say, I think that's about 5 pounds, but as we know, I have my new super scale. Ooh, 5 pounds, 14 ounces, almost 6 pounds. I forgot what batteries are going for. I think 20-25 cents, so $1.50 maybe. Yeah, 3 pounds 11, so about 7-8 pounds. Anyways, I got a little stack of these guys going too, so I'll put them together. So once again, hope everybody in Canada has a great Thanksgiving weekend. And for the rest of you, well, just have a great weekend. That's all for now. See you later. Cheers.